Hello, my name is Robert Decker, and I'm your Client Services Manager. This video will discuss Exhibitor badge registration. You will not be emailed a link to register, but you will be directed to register via the Exhibitor console. If you do not know what the Exhibitor console is, please watch my short walkthrough video on the Exhibitor console before trying to register yourself and booth staff. Once you click on that, you will end up on a page like this. It'll be required that you fill out all of these demographic questions, such as if you yourself are attending, your primary business category, subcategories, company size, company revenue, and products that your company manufactures or produces. Once you've got that completed, you'll end up on a page just like this. It gives you some important information about this registration portal. On the left-hand side of the screen, you're going to see several options in your side panel navigation. We're going to focus only on the exhibitor registration dropdown. Let's start with the roster. The roster will show you the list of staff that you have already registered and will allow you to edit or delete existing badges, purchase upgrades, and retrieve visa invitation letters if needed. This is a screenshot of a test account that I've made just for this demonstration. Next, you will see the Register Booth Staff tab. That will register staff by simply asking for name, job title, and email. Next, you will see a tab to register previous personnel. If you have exhibited with Newtopia Now before, it will contain a list of previous staff that you can import with a simple checkbox. Lastly, you will see the Upload a File tab. This will allow you to download a template, fill out the names, job titles, and emails of your staff, and then upload that file into the platform. After a quick review page, they will all be imported into your roster. I hope that this video tutorial helps you better navigate the Newtopia Now Exhibitor Registration Portal. If you get stuck or still have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our client services team at 303-390-1776 or email us at clientsvcnewtopia@informa.com. Thank you.